Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing you guys a cool hot dog. I know cool and hot dog doesn't go together, but hey, for this video, it will. So I'm going to first start out by drawing the star of the bun, Mr. Hot Dog. When I think of hot dogs, I always think of the 4th of July weekend or holiday, because that's the time you can always smell the delicious barbecues growing and all the lovely hot dogs and steaks and all that. This Mr. Hot Dog is dedicated to those wonderful and lovely days or day. Even if you guys have a favorite food that you like to grill other than a hot dog, I know there's steaks, chicken, kebabs. I know where I'm going with this conversation, but it's weird sometimes just drawing and just talking to a camera and there's nobody talking back to you. But hey, when you're drawing, you gotta keep yourself entertained. Alright, so we have the wonderful Mr. Hot Dog Man. He's kind of a little pudgy hot dog, but hey, he's still a hot dog. Now I'm going to draw this little, I don't know what is the exact term for this thing that they have on each hot dog on the top. They kind of tie the casing together so that it stays intact, but it kind of looks like a little bow. I'm going to draw another one at the bottom. So if anybody that eats meat or works in a meat factory knows what the exact terminology is, comment below and let me know, so I don't make up words for things that don't exist. But I call it a little bow. So there we have our little hot dog's body. Now to give him the cool factor, let's draw him some eyeglasses or sunglasses. I kind of like how these lines kind of come a little bit jagged, so it almost gives it like a traditional feel, like as if you're drawing with a Sharpie. In one of the how to draw videos, the guy I follow, or one of the artists I follow, and draws with Sharpie, and I think that's cool. But I always wonder, the people that do draw with the Sharpie markers and on paper, what is it they actually do with the art once everything is said and done? That's something I was thinking about before starting this channel, is what am I gonna do with that drawing? I mean, a certain thing, one idea that came to mind is you could possibly make a copy of the line art and turn it into a coloring book. And then the other idea would be is selling the colored picture as stickers. But I think most of them put their Amazon affiliate links in the description, so that helps out with the channel, at least the funding to buy the different art supplies. And I think the reason I chose to do it on the tablet is because of the fact that once you make this drawing, you have the option to either keep it digitally or turn it into a traditional piece by printing it out. So that's what I like, the versatility of doing it on the tablet as opposed to just doing it on paper. So now what I'm gonna do is give him a smile. That noise in the background, if you guys can hear it, is a blender going. And no, it's not me. I think it's my wife and my son making a smoothie. That's the fun thing about living in a household where you got more than one more than one person living. There's always some sort of noise in the background. Even if you out there watching have a similar situation you'll deal with, you just got way too many people in a household. I think this is my first video. I'm actually talking to all the people out there. And yes, I didn't say this before, but I'm drawing the little swirly mustard that they put on the hot dogs. Okay, we got Mr. Hot Dog ready, got his mustard, got his glasses on. Now we're gonna draw the little bun that he chills out in. The hot dog bun. Is anybody in the comment section comment and let me know if you guys have ever had a New York style hot dog? You know, the ones that I think it's they wend them in the streets of New York. Supposedly it's something of a fun street food to try out someday, maybe. I gotta remind myself to erase that line up there, because like the last video I kept saying I'm done with the video, and then I kept going back to erasing all the 100 lines that end up. And I think we have it, people. A little chilly willy hot dog. Alright guys, so for the next part of this video I'm just going to do a time lapse and color them in. Thanks for following along and maybe drawing, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye for now.